Hey!
Hey, Em, what's up?
Steve Berman, what's going on, man? How you doing? Good to see you again. What's up?
Em, could you come in here and have a seat, please?
Yeah,
Vanessa, shut the door.
Okay.
So what's up? How's orders looking for the first week?
It would be better if you gave me nothing at all. This album is less than nothing. I can't sell this fucking record. Do you know what's happening to me out there?
What's the problem?
Violet Brown told me to go fuck myself.
Who's Violet?
Tower Records told me to shove this record up my ass. Do you know what it feels like to be told to have a record shoved up your ass?
Well,
I'm gonna lose my fucking job over this. Do you know why Dre's record was so successful? He's rapping about big screen TVs, blunts, 40s, and bitches. You're rapping about homosexuals and Vicodin. I can't sell this shit.
What?
Either change the record or it's not coming out.
Now
Now get the fuck out of my office.
What am I supposed...
Now.
Hey, yo. What do you think about two grown-ass men living together? What do you think about another grown-ass man living right upstairs from him? Well, them two grown-ass men living together on my nuts, and that's you right above them. Fuck off. When I rhyme, somehow I think I must be subliminally throwing Viagra at these fags that got these hard-ons for me, but I suppose anything goes when it comes to my flows. Nothing is off limits, except for Michael's nose. What? Hey, yo, run that shit back. Hey, yo, what do you think about two grown-ass men living together? Alright, what do you think about another grown-ass man living right upstairs from him? Well, them two grown-ass men living together on my nuts, and that's you right above them. When I rhyme, somehow I think I must be subliminally throwing Viagra at these fags that got these hard-ons for me, but I suppose anything goes when it comes to my flows. Nothing is off limits, except for Michael's nose. I didn't know, I'm so sorry, please tell me what I can do to make it up to those of you who I offended. Ooh, I got an apology for Steve Harvey too, it's in my pocket. Wait, here it is. Fuck you, hey, what do you say, Andre, what's new? Life is good, man, I'm chillin' 50, how about you? Yale's out of jail, Walker's out on bail, we'll get through, we always do. ODB, rest in peace, Mr. G. Only reason I dissed you in the first place is cause you did not sing. Now I'm pissed off. Sit back, homie, relax. In fact, grab a six-pack, kick back while I kick facts. Yeah, Dre, sick track, perfect way to get back. Wanna hear something wick-wack? I got the same exact tat on Nick's back. I'm obsessed now. Oh, geez, that's supposed to be me in the video with the goatee. Wow, Mariah didn't expect it to go balls out. Bitch, shut the fuck up while I put all them phone calls out. You made it my house when you was wildin' out. Before, Nick, when you was on my dick and give you something to smile about. How many times you fly to my house, still trying to count. Better shut your lying mouth if you the one Nick finding out. You probably think cause it's been so long, if I had something on you, I would've did it by now. On the contrary, Mary Poppins, I'm mixing a studio session down and sitting with the mastering to make it loud. Enough dirt on you to murder you, this is what the fuck I do. Mariah, it ever occur to you that I still have pictures? However you prefer to do, and that goes for Nick too, faggot. You think I'm scared of you? You're gonna ruin my career, you better get one. Like I'ma sit and fight with you over some slut bitch cunt that made me put up with a psycho ass over 6 months and only spread her legs to let me hit once. Yeah, what you gonna say, I'm lucky? Tell the public that I was so ugly that you fucking had to be drunk to pray. Second base, what the fuck you tell Nick Punk? In the second week we were dry humping, it's gotta count for something. Listen, girlie, surely you don't want me to talk about how I nutted early, cause I ejaculated prematurely and bust all over your belly, and you almost started early and said I was gross. Go get a towel, your stomach's curling, or maybe you do. But if I'm embarrassing me, I'm embarrassing you, and don't you dare say it isn't true. As long as that song's getting airplay, I'm dissing you. I'm a hair away from getting carried away and getting I was gonna stop at 16, that was 32. This is 34 bars, we ain't even third of the way through. Damn, Slim, Mariah played you. Mariah who? Oh, did I say whore, Nick? I meant a liar too. Like I've been going off on you all this time for no reason. Girl, you out your alcoholic mind. Check your wine cellar, look at the amounts of all the wine. Like I fucking sit around and think about you all the time. I just think this shit is funny when I pounce you on a rhyme. But fuck it now, I'm about to draw the line. And for you to cross it, that's a mountain that I doubt you wanna climb. I can describe areas of your house you wouldn't find on an episode of Cribs. I blow below the ribs if I hear another word, so don't go open in your chips. Cause every time you do, it's like an overload of fibs. I ain't saying this shit again, ho, you know what it is. It's a warning shot before I blow up your whole spot. Call my bluffing, I release every fucking thing I including the voicemails right before you flip your top. When me and Luis were trying to stick 2 CDs in the same slot.
Shade is out the Dodgers. Shade is out the Dodgers. I love you.
I love you too. Let me whisper sweet nothings into your ear, boo. Know what you say?
It's nothing.
Yeah, so what I'll do is refresh your memory when you said
I want you.
Now should I keep going or should we call
You
truce?
think you cute, right?
You bet your sweet ass I do.
I'm Mary Poppins, B.
And I'm Superman. Ooh.
Mary P.
Coming at you. So if you still be my
Baby girl.
then I'll still be your
Superhero. Woman M.
Yeah, I'm right here.
You like this.
Nope, not anymore, dear. The cuts like a knife when I tell you get a
Wife.
But I'm moving on with my niggas. That's your
Wife.
Well, tell her to shut her mouth, then I'll leave her alone. If she don't,
Sick of the script.
then I'ma just keep going. Damn.
I see Marianne. Marianne saying, cut the tape. Cut the tape. Knife.
You ever be in the club, man? In the fight, people that you don't even know jumping. You feel like you wanna hit something, your fist clenches, you're pissed. You just wanna get someone with shit, jump on this. You're about to get your shit posted. I'm just inches away from splitting your shit wide open. No stitches can save you. Got your eyes open, you hope this isn't the way you end up going out, but I guess it just is. I'm afraid. Razors, scissors, and blades make Jason say, isn't this great? I'm looking to participate in this ass kicking the bait. To take place in the middle of the street. Little did you know that being all out brawl. Soon as you heard this beat, emergency personnel rush to the murder scene, but it's too late. It's absolute pandemonium. Whisked away in an ambulance is your fate. Nothing nobody told you when you left the house that they could have made you anticipate. Such an ass whipping, okay, till the anger dissipates. You get punched in the face, reciprocate. Come on. So what the deal, riders? Would you excuse me while I feel my nuts? My balls are feeling the mighty big now. I might just have to dig down, pull them through my pictures. I said, so what the deal, riders? Would you excuse me while I feel my nuts? My balls are feeling the mighty big now. I might just have to dig down and pull them through my pictures. You step in place with an up misplaced anger to catch a case. Anxious to get in some shit, got your gangsters on with your ladies. You better go get your mace, cause Shady said so. You may wanna pick up the radio and bang it against your face. That's a fucking rider you feel. Now you still wanna grill? You don't wanna get the shit beat out of you, chill. Cause if you doubt me, you will. Yeah, got me a pill, found me a thrill. I got a couple of drinks in a pack. Girl, how do you feel, ma? This cocksucker did not spill my drink. Oh, hell no. He must be trying to kill my buzz. We don't not budge. What the deal, riders? Now here they all come and they got your back in like 2 seconds flat, and that's probably a record, yeah. You wasn't expecting that, cause they wanted on the act. There's a cognac bottle, we snuck it in, cause the beer that they was serving here was only I'm biting, I fight dirty, you might get kicked in the nuts. You're frightened like this guy might hurt me, you're quite certain he's nuts. I've hit myself in the face harder, play smarter, you may start a rumble, you need a chainsaw to dig your way out. I go powder your nose, pussy, the louder you yell, the harder I slap the shit out of you hoes. You set it off, faggot, so now how do you suppose we settle it? Hit me in the nose, we'll see how it goes. So what the deal, riders? Would you excuse me while I feel my nuts? My balls are feeling the mighty big now. I might just have to dig down and pull them through my britches. I said, so what the deal, riders? Would you excuse me while I feel my nuts? My balls are feeling the mighty big now. I might just have to dig down and pull them through my britches. It's sheer hustle, I bob, weave, deflate your beer muscles. We're tussling, the crowd starting to cheer us, and adrenaline's rushing through us just like a geyser gushing. Too much Budweiser in my blood. I'm strangling you and fight for nothing. My signatures, look at your marks, look at you all big with your remarks. I swing a knife, pick at your heart. At least that's what it feels like when I pick you apart and dig at you and break it down like a bitch that you are. The predicament starts when I throw a brick at your car. The pain inflicted upon you is so sick, it's bizarre. Shit, this is almost ridiculous. It did get this far. It's having me wanna rip out the freaking ligaments. Are you hit like a bitch? You scratch me with your nails for that. You catch an open hand, snap like a female. In fact, I'll have the crowd smacking you themselves. Where's each way? I don't feel like doing this by myself. So what the deal, riders? Would you excuse me while I feel my nuts? My balls are feeling the mighty big now. I might just have to dig down and pull them through my britches. Said, so what the deal, riders? Would you excuse me while I feel my nuts? My balls are feeling the mighty big now. I might just have to dig down and pull them through my britches. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Oh shit. Yeah. Y'all ready to get this shit started or what? Alright. Well, I brought some friends with me too. Now I ain't back just for the sake of just saying I'm back. I could relax, but I'd rather stack ammo on track. Couples and X, light a couple wax candles in black. Gotta relax till I yak, jack, then yak. So suck my dick on the couch if you want to cushion the blow. Now stomp your fucking feet till you get this squish in the hole. It's pandemonium, me and standing on when you see him. Oh, damn, baby, you look good. You're giving me wood. You should pull over like a sweatshirt with a hood. Let's work, get a poly on. You and me both break bread, but I'm copping over this game that pins a love. Now, homie, who's your favorite pain in the ass? Who claims to be spitting the same flames as me? I'm Kanye when he crashed. Not the words, I got the hood on smash. Like I stepped on the gas, destroyed the front end, deployed the damn airbags from the dash. Went through them and laughed, came back an hour after the accident. Black content, jawbreaker in half. So stop faking the funk and start shaking your ass. Slaughterhouse in the house with the carcades and the rap and just plays on the track. What the fuck's more amazing than that, slut? Answer me that. What's we
Right here, fire marshal, verbal pair of pliers, a Brian part 2 lump on your head, designed by a bar stool, designed by a cartoon. Before I need to be hired, Jimmy I, a fire marshal. The 9 tucked against the lining. I pull it out and flip your partner upside down like y'all are a couple 69. It's like Rick James is shooting up your house, nigga. Fuck your couch, nigga. You screaming fuck the world with your middle finger up while I'm over here shoving my dick in the hole in the mud. My bitch know I'm perfectly fit for murder because I earned it. So you can call me Nickel the OJ the Glove. I got a posse of insane clowns. Blow your brains on your opposite ear and actually how your brain sound. Bad, evil, ego, Alfred E. Newman, man, cerebral, you on your last break. What that mean, Nickel? It's a rap if you eat and get a beat and terrorize that bitch like I'm Middle Eastern. Slaughterhouse on fire, nobody touching that. Good day or good night, Ortiz, yo, where the fuck you at?
I'm right here in my night ears, Buzz Light years ahead of my mic peers. Quite scary to look at, a nightmare. Where my book at? I write fear in the heart of you tight squares. I harbor the art of you nice wear. It's tight weird, cause that made me hotter than my dear Uncle Al's breath after polishing off his ninth beer. Homie, chill, listen, I swear, I'm God. I give tracks a holy feel, and in 20 years, I'm right here. Why wouldn't I be? Just waiting to be hooked IV. It's mum rhymes well when you look at my P. In this joint, no exception, so just point a direction and record the pig's point when I rip his intestines. This isn't just an infection. This won't go away with penicillin injections. Millions of questions arose after they did an inspection. What I exhibit seems to be non-contagious, yet anybody could get it. Oh shit, I did it again. When I lit up this pen, I emitted this phlegm. This time it's alongside Eminem. So tell him, 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 so tell him.
in your nature. Just let me liberate you. You don't need no papers. That man is not your maker. And that's why I'm a good girl. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. You're a good girl. Can't let it get past me.